Hi, my name is Lauren Cassidy, and the article Gene Therapy Comes of Age really discusses the evolution of gene therapy from its early experimental stages to what it is now as a viable treatment option for various genetic disorders. The article highlights certain diseases such as hemophilia, sickle cell anemia, and certain types of cancer that gene therapies have been proven useful and as a potential treatment option for. Also, the article highlights the transition from the theoretical concepts and the understanding of the mechanisms underlying these certain diseases, the genetic and molecular underlying components, and how that can be applied to a clinical application, a clinical setting, in order to treat these various genetic diseases. So, in order to provide evidence for the use of gene therapy, the author really provides a bunch of evidence from various clinical trials and research studies that demonstrate the efficiency and the progress of gene therapy. So the author highlights the use of CRISPR-Cas mechanisms, which uses the Cas9 protein to cut the DNA at a precise location, which scientists can then change the expressed genes or add and remove any DNA segments that could potentially cause the disease. This has been shown to be useful in treating sickle cell anemia and certain types of cancer. So because CRISPR-Cas is a type of gene editing technology, there needs to be delivery mechanisms in order to get the specific therapeutic genes into the patient's target cells. So this is when certain viral vectors come into play, and the author really emphasizes specifically lentiviruses and adeno-associated viruses, and these are genetically engineered to deliver genes directly into the target cells, which has been shown to increase the success of this clinical application in treating disease. So specifically, the lentiviral vectors, it's more of advanced form, and it enables gene transfer from into non-dividing cells, and this allows for the delivery of larger and more complex gene cassettes. But in terms of the adeno-associated virus, this is genetically engineered to carry the gene expression cassette, replacing all viral coding sequences. Also, the article talked about CAR therapies, which is a type of immunotherapy to treat certain types of cancer by genetically modifying the patient's T cells to recognize and target cancer cells. So, the author concluded that there is definitely transformative potential in gene therapy, and how the technological advances, such as like the innovations in the viral vectors and gene editing and the delivery systems, has significantly improved the safety and precision and the efficiency of these gene therapies. It also emphasizes challenges such as the issues in immune response and also delivery of the specific gene therapies, but we are optimistic for the future about how to expand the range of treatable conditions. I believe that gene therapy is a really useful and beneficial tool in treating various genetic conditions. I do believe that there it has already been so many advancements, and that we're just going to continue to advance our technologies and be able to help treat a myriad of other genetic conditions. So it is a very, very useful tool. Thank you.